Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS padding. And right now, we'll be discussing about CSS padding top property for the individual sites. So I'm going to show you how you can use the padding top property right now. Back to our document, as you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the margin. And right now, we want to specify padding. Don't you forget that padding is the one that controls the every space you can find inside this our border right here. So we are going to control it right now using padding. So firstly, let's rearrange our document so we can have something to work with. Let me delete this one right here. Now it's cool. Now we're having just only one element right here. We want to control the padding. Now inside immediately after this our margin right here, let's control it using padding. We need padding top. So I want to give padding top of 200 pixels. Let's see our document. Let's see how our document looks. Can you see? So definitely this is controlling the space inside our border. Can you see? Imagine how big the space is. So that is benefit of using the padding top. And you can do this with other elements. You can use this. You can control this using other elements also. But I'm going to do it in another manner. Let's remove this out of here. So this can look nice, like the way we did our. Let's say for instance now, I save my document now. Yes, we don't have any element that is having padding. Now inside here, I want to use padding right here. So let me use padding. I'm going to remove this. Let me remove this one. Yes, it's only padding we want to use. Padding. I had to use padding. Let me put this here because we have used the margin also. Let me use it inside our. Yes, let me just leave the margin there, but I'm going to use the padding only here. Padding left, padding top. I want to use 200 pixel. Now let's reload our document and see the padding we will have from the top right here. Can you see the padding we have? Let me increase the padding. Let me increase it to 400 so you can see. Can you see the way our element is shifting? Let me increase it to 600. Can you see the way our element shifts? Can you see our element is now at the bottom right here? So that's how you can use padding. Let me give it just little value. Let's give it like 24 pixel. Can you see? Let's give it like 12 pixel. Can you see? Let's even give it like 2 pixel. Can you see? Even when we give it like 0 pixel. Can you see? The reason why you are seeing all this right here, this margin that remain there is the margin is from the picture, the background picture that you can find here. Because I won't call it from the background picture, is from some. I've described some elements right here, as you can see. All these BR elements you are seeing right here. Let me delete it so you can be able to see. Can you see when I delete it? So I'm going to delete all this so that we can be able to understand what is happening with our document. Now as you can see, I'm not having any BR element inside this place. Now I want to control the padding. So let's control the padding. Let's give it 24 pixel. We're going to see what will happen. Can you see? It's shift, right? Our document shift. Let's give it 200 pixel. Can you see? Now let's give it 400 pixel. Can you see? So definitely the trick that we did when we are trying to use the BR times. If you have been following me along when I started all these things, you will remember when I created this BR times 10. So definitely that's the same thing. Can you see? When I say BR times 10, this BR also used to create padding. Can you see? when I decrease it, let's say for instance now we don't have all these things now. So now let's use our BR element. We are going to see what will happen. Let's say for our document and reload. Can you see? Definitely the BR also is also creating padding. It's not margin the BR is creating. Let's give it BR. Let's give it BR times 5. So you can be able to see times 5. So now let's reload our document. Can you see? The BR is also controlling the padding for us. The BR is controlling the what? The padding for us. So instead of you now using the BR element, you can use the CSS padding itself. So let's say for instance we need a lot of BR. If we put a lot of, let's say times 20, like times 25, we give a lot of BR. Let's reload our document. Can you see? We have this kind of space. Let's say we need more. If we need more, we will have to create a lot of BR again. So this is going to take a lot of space in our document. Let's give it 25 again. Let's save this. You are going to see more padding. Can you see? We have more padding. Can you see? So for us not to use this kind of BR, a lot of BR element in our document, definitely we can now use what? We can now use our padding. So when you use padding, it's going to work as the same also. So let's use padding here. Padding. When I use padding top, when I use padding top, I want to specify a lot of padding. Let's just say I use 400. I just use 400. Only just 400 is enough for me. Can you see? Now I'm having the padding. So and my document is not looking rough again. As you can see, this is so nice when you use padding. So as you can see, we can use 600 if we want. So can you see? This is so nice. As you can see, our document is working nicely. So that is how to use padding top. As you can see, I've used padding top right here. As you can see, this padding top is so nice when you use it. So I've used padding top right here. So I wish to see you guys next time to our next tutorial. Anwar, akorede, ayofe is my name once again. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Peace.